Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious cheesy chicken Alfredo lasagna. These are rolled up lasagnas filled with chicken and bacon, then topped with creamy cheesy goodness. It's such a delicious recipe. Let's get started. Start by melting some butter in a pan over medium heat. Once melted, add some minced garlic, then cook the garlic for about 30 seconds or until it begins to get fragrant. Next, add some red pepper flakes, heavy cream cheese, parmesan cheese. Also add onion powder, Italian seasoning, then season with salt and black pepper to taste. Go ahead and mix everything together very well, then let the sauce simmer and cook for about 3 minutes or until it thickens. And this is pretty much the Alfredo sauce. It is so flavorful. In this bowl, I have some cooked chicken that I shredded. You can use any leftover chicken you have from your previous dinner and just shred it up. Pour half of the Alfredo sauce into the shredded chicken. You're also going to cook some bacon and add to the bowl. Go ahead and mix everything together very well. Once everything is mixed in, we're going to assemble the lasagna. So we have the other half of the Alfredo sauce, the chicken mixture, mozzarella cheese, and some lasagna pasta that I cooked according to package instruction, and some more cooked bacon. So you're going to lay down each lasagna pasta, then add the chicken mixture. Next, you're going to roll it up, just like that. Then place it into an oiled baking pan, seam side down. Go ahead and roll up the rest, then place them into the baking pan. Next, pour the remaining creamy Alfredo sauce all over the roll-ups. Top it with the mozzarella cheese. Last, we're going to top this with the cooked bacon, then bake this uncovered at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. It's going to come out looking this delicious. I put my oven at the broil setting for the last 2 minutes just to get the top golden brown, but that is completely optional. Look at all of that cheesy goodness. This chicken Alfredo lasagna came out so good. The combination of mozzarella and parmesan makes this so flavorful, together with the bacon and all of that creamy chicken goodness in there. This recipe is so delicious. If you guys would like to try it, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!